This is Modern Refugee. Out in the wilderness today, I came across this little spring. I thought I'd show everybody. Things like this are very valuable resources when you're out in the wild. This water here could be used to drink, to cook with, if it's properly filtered. And as you can see, this turns into a little bit of a creek. If I was going to be setting up a base camp, I'd put it real close to this because I got an active source of water. This is also going to draw animals in that can be trapped or hunted, used for food. These are the kind of things that you want to look for when you're out in the woods, and make a mental note of them. With a small water kit or means to boil this, you'd kind of be set up for a while at the rate of the water that's coming out of there. But I just want to take a second to kind of show everybody what something like this looks like if they've never seen something like this before. Guys, have a good day.